Alright, welcome back to Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond. If you've ever had to edit videos in Windows, it should be just as easy, I hope, to edit videos in Linux. And if you do a search on Google how to edit videos in Linux, at least when it comes to different types of video editors, you will get quite a few options. I can tell you that from all of these, I believe that Kdenlive and Shotcut, which are both available for Windows and Linux, I think this will be the two best options for beginners. The most powerful option definitely will be Blender, but that is a high learning curve. That is something I don't use and I really don't need. So for this example, we'll be using Linux Mint Mate and Kdenlive. Now you don't need a high-end computer to edit videos. Again, I use Linux Mint Mate, the latest version, 18.1 Serena. Now, obviously, the more RAM you have, the better graphics, the more processors. This will speed up the rendering process, but you don't need a high-end computer. In this situation, I just have a simple quad-core gateway machine. Alright, so let's take a look at this. I'm recording this with Simple Screen Recorder. And we're going to use Kdenlive. Now, if you don't have, most people don't have Kdenlive usually installed immediately, but if you just go to the software manager here and just click that to search Kdenlive, and you can just type in Kden if you want to, enter. Now mine is, in my situation, again, it is already installed. So here we have Kdenlive. So for this example, I'm using two clips. In fact, let me start over. Let me go ahead and get these clips, delete these clips from the timeline. So I wanted to add two clips. I'm going to two clips here and right click. So let's go with the this little screenshot from my car. Okay, we'll just drag it right here. Next one, let's go to the desktop. And we'll add this TOS1 video, which is Total Operating Systems 1, but you can certainly name these anything that you want to. This is just a simple recording here. So as an example, basically with this, if I wanted to add my picture as an intro with some music, now in this case no music just to keep it simple, but if I wanted to add music I can right click, go to my music folder, add the clip, and then drag it down here to the audio portion of the timeline. So with this example, let's say I want to just add a fade from black. Alright, so it'll fade in again with or without music. So that would be the intro, then whatever I recorded. And if I pause that there, I right click and a simple fade to black. And that would be just a simple recording. Now to render this, let's see, render. And I generally like the MP4. It says here the dominating format. You have many choices here, but generally I would probably stick with this at the highest quality setting possible. And just leave that as your standard rendering option. Then close out of that, just render to file, close it, it'll start to render. Obviously the more faster computer you have, the less time it'll take to render the file. That's it. That is one way on how to edit videos in Linux using an Ubuntu-based operating system like Linux Mint. Now, you may have your own favorite Linux distribution, whatever that may be. Kdenlive should work for all, if not most, Linux distributions. As far as the hardware goes, what to use, obviously a high-end computer would be nice, but it is not necessary. For starting off, I would probably just start off with a microphone. I prefer Logitech microphones. Again, I'll have all the links below in the show notes. If you're going to use a webcam, I've had very good luck with also Logitech webcams. And really, again, you can use a desktop, a laptop. It doesn't matter, whatever you feel comfortable to use. And again, you can use videos, screenshots, a picture, something you took a snapshot from your phone and want to use that as an intro. You have many options to edit videos in Linux. Well, that's it. Just a brief introduction on how to edit videos in Linux, at least in the Linux Mate version of a Linux distribution, because I believe the Linux Mate is one of the easiest Linux-based operating system is for Windows users to learn. And if you edited videos in Windows, it should be just as easy in Linux Mint Mate. I hope this helps you out. If you have any tips and tricks, please post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.